Hello again, and in our last video, we learned how to determine whether a specific point lies on the graph of an equation. Now we're going to learn how to find two especially important points on a graph. And those two things are called x-intercepts, y-intercepts. Now let's begin with the x-intercept. The x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. So every point on the x-axis has a y-coordinate of 0. So to find an x-intercept, we have to set y equal to 0. Now, let's look at an example. Suppose if I said, find the x-intercept of y equals 2x minus 6. Find the x-intercept of y equals 2x minus 6. Since we are looking for the x-intercept, we have to set y equal to 0. Setting y equal to 0, 0 equals 2x minus 6. We do addition of 6 to both sides. And adding 6 to both sides, negative 6, positive 6 omit each other, leaving 2x on the right-hand side of the equation and bringing positive 6 to the other side of the equation. From there, we divide both sides by 2. And dividing both sides by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, the x-intercept is the point 3, 0. So again, the x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. So we have to set y equal to 0. So in order to find the x-intercept of this equation, we set y equal to 0. In setting y equal to 0, we have to add 6 to both sides. Adding 6 to both sides results in 2 divided by 2, which is 1x, 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So notice that an intercept should be written as an ordered pair, as I've written it down here. Now, let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. Where the graph crosses the y-axis. So every point on the y-axis has an x-coordinate of 0. So to find a y-intercept, we have to set x equal to 0. Using the same equation, y equals 2x minus 6, we substitute 0 for x, so y equals 2 parentheses 0 minus 6. Anything times 0 is 0, so y is equal to negative 6. Therefore, the, therefore, the y-intercept is 0, negative 6. Now, the x-intercept, just going to abbreviate, the x-intercept, you have to set y equal to 0. The y-intercept, you have to set x equal to 0. And so this is one of the most important rules to remember. To find an x-intercept, let y equal 0. To find a y-intercept, set x to 0. Now, let's look at a common mistake. A student wants to find the x-intercept and sets x equal to 0. Is that correct? They want to find the x-intercept. And they set x equal to 0. Is that correct? The answer is no. We have to set y equal to 0. So setting x equal to 0 gives the y-intercept. But for the x-intercept, we must set y equal to 0. So again, the x-intercept set y equal to 0. The y-intercept set x equal to 0. In the next video, we will work with equations that can have more than one x-intercept and see how intercepts help us understand the shape of a graph. Again, thanks for watching.